alkaline food are the natural fruits and vegetables. Okay. Avoid, first of all, I'll tell you what are the acidic food, dairy products, and all the ultra processed food, and the meat. Okay. Chicken, meat, fish. Fish is fine, but at least, the chicken, the meat, red meat. Okay. And here, the first step is the most alkaline food is the fruits and vegetables. You can have any fruits and vegetables, okay, which has the most water content in that. And the next steps comes to the cereals. You can have cereals. And next, minimal amount of pulses. Even they are kind of, the protein, the more protein is present in the pulses, the more acidic they are. So make sure when you have those pulses, you combine it with some more alkaline, like, when you have dal, I mean the chickpeas, combine it with bottle good or rich good, make a sabzi out of it, make a kind of gravy out of it. Okay. I hope this is clear for you.